My young apprentice knows well how foolish you are. And our agents will cloak themselves, as Dark Lords always have, in the black mask.
And after start waterboarding our tunes...
Now's the time for you to submit and to give in to your fear to us, to serve us. But again, as our propaganda grows more absurd, more and more people are waking up to the true nature of it.
Hillary, for you and me. Hillary, for you and me.
Join us. Serve us. It is your destiny.
He must have big bucks. Yes, that's what me. I told them sing. We did it. We did it. Big bucks. We did it.
Don't listen to Alex Jones. Don't visit Infowars.com.
Player, no player. Habla. Habla, no player. Habla, player. Player. Player, no player. Habla, player. Habla, player.
Through divide and conquer, we have enslaved them all, while the empire becomes more and more powerful.